Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Kids Candy. Today we are going to do something random. I was thinking of what we are going to do, and then I thought that I would read out the names of all the football teams in England. What I will do is I will skip two names, and if any of you can spot that, if you write that in the comment section, I will do a shout out of your name in one of my next videos. We will start. We will go alphabetically. AFC Aldermaston, AFC Blackpool, AFC Bournemouth, AFC Bridgnorth, AFC Darwen, AFC Dunstable, AFC Emley, AFC Fieldy, AFC Hayes, AFC Hornchurch, AFC Liverpool, AFC Mansfield, AFC Portchester, AFC St Austell, AFC Stoneham, AFC Sudbury, AFC Sudbury Reserves, AFC Telford United, AFC Totton, AFC Uckfield Town, AFC Wimbledon, AFC Wolverhamptonians, Abbey Hay, Abbey Halton United, Abbey Rangers, Abingdon Town, Abingdon United, Errington Stanley, AFC Croydon Athletic, AFC Rushden and Diamonds, AFC Vamdenians, Alban Sports. Aldershot Town, Alford, Alferton Town, Almondsbury, Alresford Town, Elsgard Town, Alton, Altrincham, Alvey Church, Amersham Town, Amesbury Town, Ampthill Town, Andover New Street, Andover Town, Anstey Nomads, Ardley United, Arsley Town, Arnthorpe Welfare, Arsenal, Arundel, Ascot United, Ash United, Ashby, Ivanhoe, Ashford Town, Ashford United, Ashington, Aston and Blackwell United, Aston Athletic, Aston Town, Aston United, Aston Villa, Athersley Recreation, Atherstone Town, Atherton Collieries, Atherton, Laburnum Rovers, Aveley, Avro, Axminster Town, Aylesbury United, Aylesbury Vale Dynamos, Backup Borough, Bagshot Lee, Baffins Milton Rovers, Bagshot, Baldock Town, Balham, Bamber Bridge, Banbury United, Banstead Athletic, Barkingside, Barnet, Brunswick Town, Barnsley, Barnstaple Town, Barnton Barrow, Barrow Town, Barton Rovers, Barton Town, Barwell, Basford United. Basingstoke Town, Bath City, Beaconsfield Town, Bearsted, Beckenham Town, Bedford and Feltham, Bedford Sports, Bedford Town, Beddington Terriers, Bedworth United, Belpart Town, Belpart United, Bemerton Heath, Harlequins, Benfleet, Barkhamsted, Bewdley Town, Bexhill United, Whiteford, Biggleswade Town, Biggleswade United, Billericay Town, Birmingham Synothia, Birmingham Town, it's Birmingham Synthonia, sorry. Birmingham Town, Billingshurst, Bilston Town, Beanfield, Birmingham City, Barstall United, Bartley Town, Bishop Auckland, Bishop Sutton, Bishop's Cleeve, Bishop's Lyedred, Bishop Stratford, Beaton, Black County Rangers, Blackburn Rovers, Blackfield and Langley, Blackpool, Blackstones, Blythe Spartan, Bodmin Town, Bognor Regis Town, Boldmere St Michael's, Bolton Wanderers, Booty, Boreham Wood, Borowash Victoria, I lost track. Hold on. Yeah. So Boston Town, Boston United, Bottisford Town, Bournemouth, Bolton Robes, Bovey Tracy, Bowerson, Pitsea, Brackley Town Saints, Brackley Town, Bracknell Town, Bradford City, Bradford Park Avenue, Bradford Town, Braintree Town, Brandon United, Brantham Athletic, Brentford, Brentwood Town, Bridgewater Town, Bridington Town, Bridon Ropes, Bridport, Bricktown, Brighouse Town, Brantley Regent Reserves, Brightlingsea Regent, Brighton and Hove, Albion, Briscombe and Thorpe, Brimsdown, Brislington, Bristol City, Bristol Manor Farm, Bristol Rovers, Bristol Telephones, British Airways, Brixham, Broadbridge, Heath, Broadfields United, Brockenhurst, Brockton, Bromley, Broomsgrove Sporting, Buckingham Athletic, Buckland Athletic, Bugbrook St Michael's, Bugress Hilltown, Burnham, Burnham Rambus, Burnley, Burscough, Barton Albion, Barton Park Wanderers, Bury, Burytown, Buxton. Cadbury Athletic, Cadbury Heath. What I will do is I will increase the font size a bit. It's very stunning to the eye. Okay, so Cadbury Athletic, Cadbury Heath, Carrington Town, Calner Town, Camberley Town, Cambridge City, Cambridge United, Camelford, Camel Laird 1907, Campion, Canterbury City, Campion. That's the league division of North Counties East League Division 1. Okay, they missed a H somewhere, it should have been Champion. Canterbury City, Canvey Island, Cardiff City, currently where I am. Carslade United, Carlton Town, Cars Halton Athletic, CB Hounslow United, Shadderton, Chalfont St Peter, Shavely Sport, Charlton Athletic, Charnock Richard, Chase Town, Chatham Town, Sheed Heath Nomads, Shidley Town. Sorry, I'm getting lost again. Hold on. Okay. Cheddar, Chelmsford City, Semsley Town, Chelsea, Cheltenham, Saracens, Cheltenham Town, Charleston Town, Chesham United, Chestnut, Chessington and Hook United, Chester, Chesterfield, Chesterley Street Town, Chichester City, or it's Chichester, Chinnor, Chippenham Town, Chipping, Sudbury Town, Chipstead, Shorley, Christchurch, Cinderford Town, Cirencester Town Development, Cirencester Town, City of Liverpool, Clanfield, Clapton, Clittermoor Celtic, Cleethorpes Town, Clifton Town, Clifton All Whites, Clipstone, Clitheroe, Colville Town, Cobham, Cockfosters, Coggenhall United, Coggeshall Town, Coggeshall United, Colchester United, Coles Hill Town, Collierswood United, Colney, Colney Heath, Concord Rangers, Congleton Town, Consett, Corby Town, Corinthian, Corinthian Casuals, Cornard United, Corsham Town, Cove, Coventry City, Coventry, Copsewood, Coventry Spinks, Coventry United, Cause Sports, Cradley Town, Crawley Down, Gatwick, Crawley Green, Crawley Town, Cray Valley, Paper Mills, Cray Wanderers, Reddington United, Cree Alexandra, Cribbs, Crooktown, Crowborough Athletic, Croydon, Crystal Place, Cullompton Rangers, Curzon, Ashton. Dagenham and Redbridge, Daisy Hill, Darlastown FC, Darlington, Dartford, Dartmouth, Daventry Town, Deal Town, Debenham LC, Dipping Rangers, Derby Town, Denham Town, Desborough Town, Davies Town, Didcot Town Reserves, Didcot Town, Dis Town, Dobe Walls, Doncaster Rovers, Doncaster Town, Dorking Wanderers Reserves, Dorking Wanderers, Dover Athletic, Downham Town, Downton, Dronfield Town, Droylsden, Dudley Sports, Dudley Town, Dulwich Hamlet, Dunkirk, Dunstable Town, Dunston UTS, Durham City. Easington Colliery, Easington Sports, East Coes, Victoria Athletic, East Grinstead Town, East Hull, East Preston, East Thurrock United, Eastbourne Borough, Eastbourne Town, Eastbourne United Association, East League, Eastwood Community, Ebbsfleet United, Eccleshall United, Egware Town, Egham Town, Elbarton Villa, Ellesmere Rangers, Elmore, City, Enfield 1893, Enfield Borough, Enfield Town, Epsom and Ewell, Erith and Belvedere, Erith Town, Ish Winning, Eversley and California, Everton, Epsom United, Exeter City, Exmouth Town, FC Broxburn Borough, FC Clacton, FC Elmstead, FC Halifax Town, FC Oventry Town, FC Romania, FC United of Manchester, Fairwood Town, Fakenham Town, Falmouth Town, Fareham Town, Farnborough, Farnham Town, Farsley Celtic. I will just check whether the video is running. Yeah, it's running properly. So where was I? Farnham Town, sorry, it's Fairwood Town, Fakenham Town, Falmouth Town, Fareham Town, Farnborough, Farnham Town, Farsley Celtic, Feversham Town, Folly, FC, Deportivo Galicia, Felixstowe and Walton United Reserves, Felixstowe and Walton United, Fire United, Fisher, Flatwell Heath, Fleet Spurs, Fleet Town, Fleetwood Town, Folkestone Invicta, Folland Sports, Forest Green Rovers, Forest Hill Park, Framlingham Town, Frenford, Frickley Athletic, Frimley Green, From Town, Fulham, Gainsborough Trinity, Garford Town, Garstang, Gateshead, Gedling Miners Welfare, Gillingham, Glasshoughton Welfare, Glebe, Glossop North End, Gloucester City, GNP Sports, Godalming Town, Godmanchester Rovers, Godolphin Atlantic, Golkar United, Goal, Godleston, Godsports Borough, Graham Street Prims, Grantham Town, Grays Athletic, Great Waking Rovers, Great Yarmouth Town, Greenways, Greenwich Borough, Grizzly, Grimsby Borough, Grimsby Town, Guernsey, Guildford City, Gisborough Town, Gisley, Hackney Wick, Hadley United, Hadley, Hailsham Town, Hallis Owen Town, Hall Road Rangers, Hallam, Hallen, Halstead Town, Hamley Club, Hampton and Richmond Borough, Hamworthy United, Handsworth, Hanley Town, Hanwell Town, Hanworth Villa, Harborough Town, Harefield United, Haringey Borough, Harlow Town, Harpenden Town, Harrogate Railway Athletic, Harrogate Town, Harrow Borough, Harrowby United. Hartlepool United, Hartley Winty, Harwich and Parkeston, Hashtag United, Hassocks, Hastings United, Higmond, Havant and Waterloo, Haverhill Borough, Haverhill Rovers, Hayes and Yeading United, Hayworth Heath Town, Hennard Town, Heath Hayes, Heather St. John's, Heaton Stannington, Hebburn Town, Hednesford Town, Helston Athletic, Hempel Hampstead Town, Hemsworth Miners Welfare, Hendon, Hengrove Athletic, Haresford Lads Club, Harney Bay, Hertford Town, Haybridge Sweeps, Highgate United, Highworth Town, Hillingdon Borough, Hickentley FC, Histon, Hitching Town, Huddeston Town, Holbeach United, Holker Old Boys, Holland and Blair, Homer Greens, Holmesdale, Holsworthy, Flowell Sport, Holyport, Horrington Town, Horley Town, Horrendine, Horsham YMCA, Hucknall Town, Huddersfield Town, Hull City, Hull Bridge Sports, Hungerford Town, Huntingdon Town, Hyde United, Heath and Heath and Dibden, Heath Town, Ilford, Ilfracombe Town, Eccleston Town, Inglis, Ipswich Town, Ipswich Wanderers, Archester United, Irlam, Ivy Bridge Town, Jarrow, Josley Bulls, K Sports, Kempton Rovers, Kendal Town, Kensington and Ealing Borough, Kent Football United, Kenting Town, Kensam Town, Kidderminster Harriers, Kidlington Development, Kidlington, Kidsgrove Athletic, Kimberley Miners Welfare, Kings Langley, Kings Lynn Town Reserves, Kings Lynn Town, Kingstonian, Kirby Moxby, Kirkley and Parkfield, Knapp Hill, Knaresborough Town, Lakenheath, Lancaster City, Lancing, Langford, Langley Wanderers, Larkhall Athletic, Launceston, Leverstock and Ford, Linnington, Leatherhead, Lebec United, Leeds United, Leek Town, Leicester City, Leicester Nirvana, Leicester Road, Leicester Town, Leicester Reserves, Leiston, Leverstock Green, Lewisham Borough, Leighton Athletic, Leighton Orient, Lichfield City, Lincoln United, Lingfield, Lakeside Athletic, Litherland, REMYCA, Little Common, Little Oakley, Little Hampton Town, Littleton, Liverpool, Liversedge, London Colony, London Tigers, London Lions, Long Buckby, Long Crendon, Long Eton United, Long Melford, Long Levens, Longbridge Town, Longwell Green Sports, Lopes Tavares, Lordswood, Loughborough Dynamo, Loughborough University, Lower Brake, Lowestoft Town, Lockswood, Luton Town, Lutterworth Athletic, Lutterworth Town, Leeds Town, Lydney Town, Lee Town, Leamington Town, Maccabi London Lions, Macclesfield Town, Maidenhead United, Maidstone United, Main Road, Side Road, Meldon and Tripty, Malmesbury and Victoria, Maltby Main, Malvern Town, Manchester City, Manchester Village, Manchester United, Mansfield United, Mansfield Town, Marchtown United, Margate, Marine, Market, Drayton Town, Marlow United, Marske United, Matlock Town, May and Baker, Millsham Town, Melton Town, Meridian VP, Marstham, Merthyr Town, Metropolitan Police, Micklelover Sports, Middlesbrough, Midhurst and Eastbourne, Midenhall Town, Mile Oak, Millbrook, Millwall, Milton Keynes Dons, Milton Keynes Robins, Milton United, Molesey, Moneyfields, Morecambe, Moreton Rangers, Morpeth Town, Moseley, Mousehole, Mulbottom Wanderers. Nantwich Town, Needham Market Reserves, Needham Market, Neilson, New College Swindon, New Mills, New Milton Town, New Salames, Newark Flowserve, Newbury Forest, Newcastle Benfield, Newcastle Town, Newcastle United, Newcastle University, Newen Town, New Haven, Newmarket Town, Newport, Newport County, Newport Pagnell Town, New Quay, Newtown Abbott Sports, Newtown Aycliffe, NKF Burbage, North Ferriby, North Greenford United, North Lake, North Shields, Northerall Town, Northampton Owen Chenecks, Northampton Shelby Rangers, Northampton Town, Norwich Victoria, Northwood, Norwich CBS, Norwich City, Norwich United, Nostell Miners Welfare, Nottingham Forest, Notts Country, Nuneaton Borough, Nuneaton Griff, Oddby Town, Oakwood, Odd Down, Oldham Athletic, Oldland Abbotonians, Ollertown Town, Ossett United, Oxford City, Oxford United, Oxley Jets, Paddyham, Paget Rangers, Pagham, Parkview, Parksgate, Poleston Rovers, P7 and Telescombe, Pegasus Juniors, Penningston Church, Penn and Tyler's Green, Penrith, Penzance, Pershore Town, Petersborough Northern Star, Petersborough Sports, Petersborough United, Petersfield Town, Pursley Vale, Phoenix Sports, Pickering Town, Pilkington, Pinchbeck United, Plymouth Argyll, Plymouth Marjon, Plymouth Parkway, Pontefract Collieries, Poole Town, Port Vale, Port Leven, Portishead Town, Portland United, Portsmouth, Pottersburg Town, Potton United, Prescott Cables, Preston North End, Prestwich Hayes, Punjab United, Queen's Range, Park Rangers, Con, Racing Club Warwick, Radcliffe, Radford, Radstock Town, Rainworth Miners Welfare, Ramsbottom United, Ramsgate, Ronstown, Rayners Lane, Rayners Park Vale, Reading City, Reading, Red Beach, Redcar Athletic, Redditch United, Red Hill, Redford, Ringwood Town, Risborough Rangers, Rochester, Rochdale, Rochester United, Roffey, Roman Glass, St. George, Ramford, Romsey Town, Romulus, Rosington, Maine, Rotherham United, Rothwell, Corinthians, Royal Wotton, Bassett Town, Roston Town, Rugby Town, Runcorn, Linnets, Runcorn Town, Rochelle Olympic, Rosedale and Higham United, Rosthall, Ryhope, Colliery Welfare, Rylands, Riton and Crocook, Albion, Saffron Dynamo, Saffron Walden Town, Salford City, Salisbury, Saltash United, Saltdean United, Sandbach United, Sandhurst Town, Saw Bridgeworth Town, Scarborough Athletics, Canthorpe United, Seaford Town, Seaham Red Star, Selby Town, Selsey, Selston, Sevenoaks Town, Shaftesbury, Shawbury United, Shearwater, Sheffield, Sheffield United, Sheffield Wednesday, Sheffield Town and Crampton, Shelly Community, Sheffield United, Shepstead Dynamo, Shepton Mallet, Sherborne Town, Sheringham, Sherwood Colliery, Shifnal Town, Shildon, Shirebrook Town, Sholing, Shoreham, Shortwood United, Shrewsbury Town, Stevenham, Slidesham, Sidmouth Town, Silden, Sittingbourne, Skegness Town, Skelmerdale United, Sleaford Town, Slimbridge, Slough Town, Smithick Rangers. I got lost again. Yeah. Snodland Town, Soham Town Rangers, Solent University, Solihull Moors, South Normanton Athletic, South Park, South Shield, South Hall, Southampton, Southend Manor, Southend United, Southport, Southwick, Spalding United, Shelthorne Sports, Spennymoor Town, Sporting Bengal United, Sporting Club Thamesmead, Sporting Khalsa, Squares Gate, St Albans City, St Andrews, St Blaisley, St Denis, St Helens Town, St Ives Town, St Martins, St Neots Town, St Margaret's-Bury, St Panteleimon, Stafford Rangers, Stafford Town, Staines Town, Stalybridge, Celtic, Stamford, Stansfield O and BC, Stansford, Stanway Rovers, Stephenhill, Steverley Miners Welfare, Steaton, Stevenage, Sting Town, Sticker, Stockport County, Stockport Town, Stockbridge Park, Steel, Stocktown Town, Stoke City, Stoke Gabriel, Stone Old Eleanians, Stonehouse Town, Storrington, Stotford, Stoutbridge, Stoutport Swifts, Slow Market Town, Stratford Town Street, Studley, Sunderland, Ryop, CS Sunderland, West End, Sultan Athletic, Cotton, Caulfield Town, Sutton Common Rovers, Sutton United, Swaffham Town, Swallow Nest, Swansea City, Swindon Supermarine, Swindon Town. Okay, just before I start with T, I will just check the camera once more. Yeah, it's still running. So, Tadcaster, Albion, Tadley, Caleva, Takeley, Tamsworth, Taunton Town, Tavistock, Teversal, Thackley, Thame United, Thame Rangers, Thatcham Town, Thetford Town, Thornbury Town, Three Bridges, Tilbury, Tiverton Town, Tividale, Tonbridge Angels, Tooting and Miltham United, Tooting Break. Tonpoint Athletic, Torway United, Torrid Geese, Torrington, Tottenham Hotspur, Tottenham Ealing, Law Town, Tower Hamlets, Trafford, Tranmere Rovers, Ring Athletic, Truro City, Tuffley Rovers, Tunbridge Wells, Therington Rocks, United Services Portsmouth, Oxtair Town, Uxbridge. Vauxhall Motors, VCD Athletic, Verwood Town, Virginia Water. Whitbridge Town, Wallingford Town, Walsall Wood, Walsham Leave Willows, Waltham Abbey, Walsham Stowe, Walton and Hersham, Walton Casuals, Wantage Towns, Ware, Warminster Town, Warrington Town, Washington Watford, Willesden, Westfield, Welling Town, Welling United, Wellingborough Town, Wellingborough Whitworth, Wellington, Herefordshire, Wellington, Somerset, Wells City. Welton Rovers, Welwyn Garden City, Wem Town, Wembley, Rendon United, West Allotment Celtic, West Auckland Town, West Bridgeford, West Bromwich Albion, West Didsbury and Charlton, West Essex, West Ham United, Westbury United, Westfield Surrey, Westfields, Weston-super-Mare, West Side, Weymouth, Wickham, Whitby Town, Whitchurch, Alport, Whitchurch United, White Ensign, Whitehawk, Whitley Bay, Whitstable Town, Whittlesea Athletic, Wheaton United, Whiteleaf, Wick, Widnes, Wigan Athletic, Welland Rovers, Willington, Wimborne Town, Wincanton Town, Winchester City, Windsor, Winsgate and Finchley, Winsford United, Wilslow United, Winterton Rangers, Wisbech St Mary, Wisbech Town, Witham Town, Wheaton Albion, Wivenhoe Town, Woodstown Park, Wokingham and Embrook, Wolverhampton Casuals, Wolverhampton Sporting, Wolverhampton Wanderers, Woodbridge Town, Woodford Town 2017, Woodley United, Worcester City, Worcester Raiders, Waddington, Workshop Town, Warnley Rovers, Warsborough Bridge Athletic, Waddington, Worthing United, Wrexham, Wycombe Wanderers, Withenshaw Amateurs, Withenshaw Town, Yale Town, Yaxley, Yeovil Town, York City, Yorkshire Amateur 1874, Northwich. I think that's all. So deliberately I missed a few names. If you can point that out, I will do a shout out of your name and your channel. Probably if you have a channel, I will sub to it and in one of my next videos. And I have added a few names, a few funny names which I thought was funny in my mind. If you can point them out, I will also sub to you and I will also shout out your names in one of my next videos. In case there was any pronunciation mistake, apologies for that. It was a lot of names to read. Hopefully you will like this video and I will come back very soon with one more random video.